guys, hi, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is SUHA and today I have an inspired look, and I was inspired by DEEPIKA Padukone makeup from Bajirao Mastani, and I was particularly inspired by this look, and it's probably from the song Mohe laal or something like that. In that movie, DEEPIKA Padukone's makeup was, oh my god, it was stunning, and I was so inspired. I really loved her makeup. She had a really healthy, glowing, flawless skin, which I tried to create for myself. I don't know how much I have achieved that, but I tried my best, and I know I do not look like her. It's just my version of that look, and I had so much fun creating this look. I really love how glowy this is. So if you guys want to know how I create this look, then keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to see more of my videos. And without any further ado, let's move on with this tutorial.
So I'm starting off by applying some moisturizer, and I'm using COSRX oil-free moisturizing lotion. After that, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer underneath my eyes to kind of brighten up, and I am blending it out using my favorite concealer brush by Real Technique. I'm also going to use a green corrector from the same brand and apply that on my nose. For some reason my nose were red that day, so I was just trying to hide that with some green concealer. Now I'm using this Revelon Color Stay foundation, and I'm mixing it with some Cover FX highlighter drops and applying that one side at a time. This foundation tends to dry out very quickly, so that's why I did one side and then the other. Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer to do some spot concealing, and again using that same concealer brush, I'm just going to blend them out. Now I'm using Stroke of Light by Bare Minimals to highlight that under eye area even more. As I have said, DEEPIKA has a really glowing, beautiful, flawless skin, so that is what I'm trying to achieve here. Now I'm using Sonia Kashuk cream bronzer, and I'm just trying to achieve a very subtle contour because that's what she had in that picture. Again, I'm going with that same highlighter by Cover FX and applying that on the highest point of my cheekbone. Oh my god, this highlighter is so beautiful, but you have to be very careful because it is a liquid highlighter. You cannot go too much crazy with it. So I'm just setting all that in place with some Coty airspun loose powder, and I'm doing this using a Real Technique brush. This brush is really soft. Now I'm using Tarte Clay Blush Palette. I have a review on this palette. If you guys are interested, you can click up and it will lead you straight to that video. I'm also using one of its blushes. It is really beautiful and very soft. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm just using a spoolie to comb the hair in place, and after that I'm using the Inglot brow pomade to do my eyebrows. Okay, I'm also applying the highlighter on the highest point of my brow bone. And now I'm using this Baked NYX bronzer just to kind of make it a little bit more intense. Okay, then I'm using this Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession palette and applying the transition shade with a fluffy Eco Tool brush. DEEPIKA has just a teeny tiny wash of colors. You cannot see any kinds of eye makeup or anything too much going on. It's just some browns and warm tone colors. So that is what I'm trying to achieve here. I am using right now the Sephora Winter palette and just using a brown shade. From there, you can use any brown shade that you have available. All we want is just a little wash of colors, and that is what I'm doing. And I'm also using a pencil brush to apply that brown shade underneath my eyes just to give a little more definition. And I'm also using this white color to highlight my inner corners. I don't think she has this, but I kind of feel like doing it. And now I'm using this mascara by Isabelle Dupont, and I'm also doing my lower lash line with it and the upper lash line as well. So I'm using some more highlighter by the Balm Cosmetics. This is the Mary Luminizer, and just intensifying everything that I have going on already. And I just applied an orange type of a lip liner, and then I used the Nior red lipstick, and we are basically done.
So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had so much fun creating it, and do let me know in the comment section below of how you think of this look, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.